As they enter the river, they stop eating, putting all their efforts into battling the current. Swift rapids and high waterfalls do not stop them. Four weeks into their journey, their bodies begin to change. Flashes of red appear in their flanks. These are their breeding colours, and the redder the fish, the fitter they are. The jaws of the males have become hooked beaks, which they will use to fight for a mate. And just upriver, there are predators ready to intercept them. Bears depend on the annual salmon run to fatten up for the winter ahead. During the migration, an adult bear can eat 40 salmon a day. Several kilometers upstream, the fish finally reach Lake Iliamna. Their spawning pools lie just upstream, but for now the sockeye linger while the female's eggs complete their development. But their troubles are not yet over. These waters are the home of the only freshwater seals in America. The salmon haven't eaten in 8 weeks, but they can still outswim these predators. The seals switch strategy and start to hide in plain sight. In a rarely seen behaviour, they wait for the salmon to come to them. Surprisingly, they ignore the males right in front of them and go for the females, who are laden with calorie-rich eggs. Battered and bruised from their long journey, they have at last reached their spawning pools. Finally, they mate. It's the only time they will ever do so. They've given everything to complete this epic migration. Their lives are over. The nutrients from their decaying bodies fertilize the water, a sacrifice that ensures the next generation will have the very best start in life.